Oh, welcome. Welcome to our first online session. For tonight, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about forecasting, financial forecasting. And basically, when we talk about financial forecasting, the key idea is we're going to translate business forecasts, business concepts, into the income statement and the balance sheet. Sales forecast, we're going to base it on sales because everything is really in these kinds of things driven by sales. And it's hard for me as a finance person to admit that, but sales drive everything. And so typically a forecast for the income statement and balance sheet requires a forecast of sales. And so that's what we're going to do with Target. And basically when we do the sales forecast, we're going to base many of the items, in fact most of the items on the income statement and balance sheet on as a percentage of sales. Because the basic idea with this is that as sales go up, there's more invested, that things are related to sales in a way that makes sense. And so we'll look at that and see that as we go through this. And then we're going to talk about, specifically do the forecasting for Target and focus primarily tonight on a lot of the mechanics, some of the issues, and we'll talk a little bit about the implications. And then what we're going to do is we'll have two more cases after tonight that deal with financial forecasting. And my hope is that these series of three things will allow us to talk about first the mechanics, how to do a financial forecast based on percentage sales. Secondly, talk about some of the financial implications or financial decisions that get reflected in that, and we'll see that a little bit in the Bed Bath & Beyond. And then with the final case, which is Cartwright Lumber, which we'll do on grounds together, that basically really talks about what are the operational implications that we can draw from doing a financial forecast. So that's sort of the sequence of the things that we're going to do.